Welcome back, friends. We already showed you how to import transactions from your bank or from another accounting platform in our video Import Transaction Across Platforms with Ease. But what if you need to add or fix something manually? Let's see how to do that in Inside Hawk. Step 1. Log in and go to the Transaction section. It's here on the left. Click on Plus Transaction and you will see two options. Pick from a prepared list or add everything manually. Option 1, we work with the prepared list. In this list, you have already common transactions with the correct accounts, debit and credit accounts. For example, if we take sale on account, debit accounts is accounts receivable and credit accounts is service revenue. Or if we take operating expense paid in cash, debit account is, for example, professional fees or any other operating expenses account, and credit account is cash on hand because we paid it with cash. What you need to do here, just select the transaction that you need, insert the date, enter the amount, for example, $500. Add a note. As I told, debit and credit accounts are already pre-selected. If you want, you can also select a product and quantity and click on Create. Done, your transaction is ready. Option 2, Manual Entry. Use this if your transaction isn't in the list. For example, it's not very common transaction, and you can choose debit and credit accounts yourself and everything else the same. For example, we want to pay loan interest payment. For example, $300. Debit account will be interest expense. It is in our expense section. If you don't have account, you can create it clicking on plus, but in this case we have one. And credit account is cash. We don't have any product and quantity here, and we click on Create. Now, what if you need to adjust or correct something? Easy, click the arrow next to the transaction and then the pencil icon. Here you can adjust debit account and credit account. You can adjust the amount. For example, we want to put here 600 and not 500. We click on Save if we want to save it, or if we want, we can also delete the transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to add and adjust transactions manually in Inside Hawk. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Thank you and bye-bye.